I'm sure you've heard the news. Strange noises from the sky are baffling scientists everywhere. Strange and huge sounds have been heard in different places around the world. These aren't just any sounds. Imagine trumpets blasting or gigantic machines roaring from the heavens. People are recording these noises and they're all asking the same question: what on earth is causing them? Scientists have been scrambling to find answers. Are these sounds natural, or is there something more sinister at play? So far, no definite source has been identified. Some experts think it might be atmospheric phenomena, while others lean towards tectonic activity. Yet with all our technology and knowledge, the mystery remains unsolved. Until we find answers, all we can do is listen and wonder. If you've heard these sounds or have theories of your own, drop them in the comments. Stay tuned for more updates on this baffling mystery.